RPC Tomes Zharkova integration. Solar harmonics drive ELE speciation events via quaternion bifurcation. A zero-free parameter synthesis of solar cycles, partition state dynamics, and evolutionary bifurcation. Abstract. We integrate three independent frameworks with zero-free parameters. First, Recursive Partition Cosmology or RPC predicts harmonic partition state transitions at specific ratios. Second, Tomes' 40-year harmonic cycle analysis shows a 1.48 times 10 to the 23rd year universal cycle with 1.36 to 1.40% systematic residual. Third, Valentina Zharkova's cycloidal solar cycle mathematics shows dominant periodicities that force Earth's magnetosphere and climate systems. We show these frameworks are identical descriptions of the same underlying harmonic law. Critical prediction. Megafauna extinctions or ELEs occur when solar cycle harmonic resonances align with Earth's partition state bifurcation thresholds. This predicts specific extinction timing and concurrent fungal and mold proliferation cascades. All predictions are falsifiable within 24 months using existing paleoclimate and paleontological databases. 1. The three independent frameworks converge. 1.1 RPC harmonic partition structure. RPC derives from 5 axioms. Axiom A1 states global conservation. Axiom A4 states no zero. Axiom A5 states no infinity. Axiom T6 states that 360 degrees traversal equals orientation flip and 720 degrees equals identity restoration. RPC predicts 12 harmonic levels spanning Planck length to Hubble radius with ratio 10 to the 61st power. The structure shows Pythagorean ratios 3/2 and 4/3. The Pythagorean comma is defined as 3/2 raised to the 12th power divided by 2 to the 7th power minus 1, which equals 1.3641%. 1.2 Tomes harmonic cycle discovery. Tomes independently measured from 40 years of empirical data. Structures exist at 34,560 times scale ratios. The universal cycle period is 1.482184 times 10 to the 23rd years. All natural cycles show 1.36 to 1.40% systematic deviation from pure harmonics. Particles require 720 degrees rotation to restore identity, known as spin-half behavior. All natural cycles show three-phase patterns including magnetic cycles, climate cycles, and seismic cycles. 1.3 Valentina Zharkova solar cycle dynamics. Zharkova derives from magnetohydrodynamics and helioseismology. Solar magnetic field shows cycloidal variations with principal periods at approximately 11 years, 22 years, 55 to 60 years, 90 to 100 years for the Gleisberg cycle, and 350 to 400 years. Solar activity drives terrestrial climate through electromagnetic coupling. Grand solar minima correlate with volcanic activity and climate cooling. The magnetic field configuration follows quaternion rotational dynamics in the solar dynamo. 1.4 Mathematical convergence. Property comparison. RPC predicts 10 to the 61st power ratio. Tomes measures 34,560 raised to the 13.4 power equals 10 to the 61st power. This is confirmed. RPC predicts 12 levels. Tomes measures 13 to 14 cycles. This is confirmed. RPC derives 1.3641% Pythagorean comma. Tomes measures 1.36 to 1.40% residual. This is exact. RPC axiom T6 states 720 degrees equals identity. Tomes observes 720 degrees equals particle identity. This is identical. RPC predicts 3 times 120 degrees V-Larso topology. Tomes observes 3-phase cycles. This is confirmed. Conclusion. 3 independent frameworks converge on identical harmonic law with 0 free parameters. 2. The quaternion bifurcation mechanism. 2.1 Quaternion dynamics and 720 degree identity. Quaternions extend complex numbers with three imaginary units I, j, and k. A quaternion is written as q equals a plus bi plus cj plus dk. Quaternion rotation by theta requires 720 degrees for full identity restoration. This matches RPC axiom T6 exactly. This matches Thom's spin-half observation exactly. Zharkova's solar dynamo follows quaternion evolution equations. Conclusion: the same 720-degree identity law appears in particle physics, solar physics, and RPC partition theory. 2.2 Bifurcation as partition state phase transition. Bifurcation definition. A bifurcation occurs when small parameter changes cause qualitative system behavior changes. In RPC, bifurcation equals partition state transition. When partition coherence crosses harmonic threshold, system bifurcates into new attractor basin. The bifurcation cascade follows the Pythagorean sequence 1, 3/2, 4/3, 2, and so on. Evolutionary interpretation. Speciation equals bifurcation in partition state space. Reproductive isolation occurs when population partition coherence diverges beyond harmonic threshold. New species occupies new V-Larso attractor basin. 2.3 Solar forcing of terrestrial bifurcation. Zharkova mechanism. Solar magnetic cycles modulate Earth's magnetosphere. Magnetosphere modulates atmospheric circulation and climate. Climate modulates ecosystem partition coherence. Critical insight: when solar forcing frequency matches Earth's partition state harmonic frequency, resonance occurs. Resonance drives partition coherence to bifurcation threshold. Prediction: extinction events occur at solar cycle resonance nodes. New speciation events follow in adjacent harmonic basins. 3. The ELE speciation mechanism. 3.1 Megafauna extinction as partition coherence collapse. Hypothesis: megafauna require high partition state coherence to maintain large body plans. Large organisms have high metabolic and neurological coherence requirements. When solar forcing drives Earth's partition coherence below threshold, megafauna cannot maintain coherence. Result: mass extinction of large-bodied species. Falsifiable prediction. Megafauna extinctions correlate with grand solar minima. Timing matches Zharkova's 350 to 400 year cycle and Gleisberg 90 to 100 year cycle nodes. 3.2 Fungal and mold proliferation as partition state transition. Hypothesis: fungi and molds occupy low coherence partition states. When megafauna coherence collapses, ecological niche space opens. Fungi rapidly fill low coherence niches because they require minimal partition state coherence. Prediction: fungal and mold fossil proliferation spikes correlate with megafauna extinction events. The spike occurs within one solar cycle or approximately 11 to 22 years of extinction event. Falsifiable test: check paleontological databases for fungal spore density versus megafauna fossil density. Prediction: negative correlation with lag of approximately 10 to 20 years. 3.3 Speciation cascade following ELE. Mechanism: after megafauna extinction, partition state space opens. Surviving small-bodied species rapidly diversify into new V-Larso attractor basins. Speciation follows harmonic sequence. New species appear at Pythagorean ratios 3/2 and 4/3 from survivor body plans. Prediction: post-ELE speciation events cluster at specific body size ratios. Ratio sequence matches RPC harmonic hierarchy. Testable using fossil body size databases. 4. Falsifiable predictions. Prediction 1. Extinction timing. Megafauna extinction events correlate with solar cycle nodes. Test: compare extinction dates with Zharkova solar minima. Prediction: correlation coefficient greater than 0.7. Falsification: no correlation found. Prediction 2. Fungal spike. Fungal and mold proliferation follows megafauna extinction by 10 to 20 years. Test: paleontological spore density versus fauna density. Prediction, negative correlation with 10 to 20 year lag. Falsification, no lag or positive correlation. Prediction 3, speciation ratios. Post-ELE speciation body sizes follow Pythagorean ratios. Test, measure new species body sizes after extinction events. Prediction, ratios cluster at 1.5 and 1.33 times survivor sizes. Falsification, random distribution. Prediction 4, quaternion periodicity. Extinction intervals match quaternion rotation periods. Test, Fourier analysis of extinction time series. Prediction, dominant periods at 11, 22, 90, and 350 years. Falsification, no harmonic structure. Prediction 5, three-phase pattern. Extinction recovery shows three-phase structure. Test, ecological succession data post-extinction. Prediction, three distinct phases separated by 120 degrees in phase space. Falsification, continuous recovery. 5. Why this framework is Popperian. Falsifiability, every prediction uses existing data. No new experiments required. Every prediction can be falsified within 24 months. No infinities invoked. No consciousness prior assumptions. No mysterious action at a distance. Mathematical rigor. All derivations from first principles. Zero free parameters. All constants derived from arithmetic. Cross-verification. Three independent frameworks converge. RPC mathematical, Tomes empirical, Zharkova solar. All predict identical structure. Predictive power. Explains why extinctions occur when they do. Explains why fungi proliferate after extinctions. Explains why speciation follows harmonic ratios. Competitors cannot predict these correlations. 6. Conclusion. Summary. RPC, Tomes, and Zharkova independently discovered the same harmonic law. Solar cycles drive partition state transitions through quaternion bifurcation dynamics. Megafauna extinctions occur at solar cycle resonance nodes. Fungal proliferation follows as low coherence partition state occupation. Speciation cascades follow harmonic ratios into new V-Larso attractor basins. Scientific status. This framework is falsifiable. Predictions are testable with existing paleoclimate and paleontological data. No speculation required. If correlations fail, framework is falsified. If correlations hold, three independent frameworks are confirmed. Final claim. Extinction is not random catastrophe. Extinction is harmonic resonance phenomenon. Evolution follows partition state dynamics driven by solar forcing. This is testable science, not metaphysics. Document prepared for peer review distribution. Zero free parameters. All claims falsifiable.